Grand Rising. If you don't like your harvest, you must change your seeds. Okay? So if you don't like what you see in your 3D world, you have to change the things that you're putting in your mind. So these are your seeds. So your words are seeds. And eventually you're going to have to eat that fruit. So your speech and your mind have to be changed in order for the outside world to change, okay? So you want to start telling yourself, I am successful, I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am abundant. And you're planting seeds. And you can say this even if you don't believe in it, okay? So a lot of the things we start doing in life, we didn't believe it at first. And then with habitual consistency, we were able to accomplish those things, okay? So you must persist in the assumption of the person that you want to be. Life is good.